Jai Hind everyone, I am Cadet Yashasvi Sachinwani from Officers Career Academy. As you know, Officers Career Academy, also known as a defense factory, is continuously preparing and training its cadets to become the future defenders of India, of our nation, to protect our nation. Today, we are here with some of the cadets who will be attempting their NDA exams on upcoming 14th of September. So let us talk to them. Jai Hind. I'm Cadet Yashasvi Sachinwani from 11th batch. So, please introduce yourself.
Jai Hind everyone. Myself Cadet Aditya Kulkarni and I am from 12th batch and as you know I am also appearing for NDA 14th September.
On 14th of September. Where are you from?
I am from Bosri, Moshi.
And when did you join our academy?
On 11th of May 2023.
Okay, 11th of May. Okay. So, how was your experience from 11th till now?
In 11th I was just so frightened that how my NDA and then SSB and then medical of everything will go and so on. So but after that I thought that this faculty is so good that I can bear that frightenedness of myself and also become an officer. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So, what's your name? And introduce yourself.
Myself Devjot K and I am from NDA batch.
When did you join our academy?
I joined the academy on May 7 this year.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kerala.
Okay. How did you come to know about our academy?
2 months before, my two friends joined this academy. They recommended this academy for me, and they told that this academy is good and the faculties here are good. So I came to know this about this academy and joined this academy.
So you came here through your friend's reference. Was it your childhood dream to join NDA?
I first came to know about NDA in class 6 when my senior got recommended through SSB, and after that I became passionate and I started to watch army movies and I became passionate about the uniform, and so on I got the dream of joining the army.
Okay. So as your attempt is on 14th of September upcoming, you have very less time. So what would you tell about your ongoing preparations or your results which are being you get from your preparations?
Previously I've given my 2 attempts but I failed that, and I know what my weakness is. My weakness is math, and I'm just an average student in math, and I'm concentrating in improving my math skills. My GAT is good, my English is good, and my science portion is top. I'm confident about my GAT portion, but I'm here for improving my math section.
Okay. So as I know that Krishna Dubey sir is the one who is your teacher for maths. How is your experience with him? His teaching skills, and what are your advices for him?
He's not just a teacher, he's like a brother to us. He daily comes to, we are living in this new building, Super 30 batch. So he daily comes to clear our doubts, and he clears our doubts daily.
Good. Thank you so much. Let us go to some other cadets. Jai Hind, will you please introduce yourself?
Myself Aditya Chaudhary and I am from NDA batch.
When did you join our academy and where are you from?
I joined this academy last 2.5 months back on 17th June, and I am from Uttar Pradesh, Etawah.
Uttar Pradesh. How did you come to know about our academy then?
I know this academy on internet because of the academy's selection ratio. So I listened to some of the YouTubers and I joined this academy.
So it is the result of OCA that brought you here, right? So as you have your attempt on 14th of September, how are your preparations going? Wait, first of all, is this your first attempt?
No, it's my last one.
Okay, okay. How are your preparations going on?
It's going well enough. I just have to focus on my GAT section because in recent last 2 attempts I have cleared my maths, but I could not score in English section and also in the GAT section.
Okay, and how are you improving on this? Like, what are your extra efforts for this?
By giving the mocks, I'm analyzing my mistakes and working on it and discussing with the teachers. Somit sir is the one who guides us because he lives beside the room.
Okay, okay.
So he is the one who is trying to improve our English.
Any advices on his teaching skills?
I am nothing to advise him because he knows me. He knows much more than me.
Fantastic. So let us go to some other cadet. Jai Hind, will you please introduce?
I Cadet Krishna Tale in 12th batch.
Where are you from and when did you join our academy?
I am from Washim.
And when did you join our academy?
I am joining academy 11th of May 2023.
So you're here from 11th standard.
Yes.
How was your experience from 11th standard to this stage when where you are just a month away, few days away from attempting your exam?
I will improve my English and some maths or GAT section for NDA exam.
आपका अभी तक का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था भैया?
तो मैं यहाँ पे 11वीं में आया था तब तो मतलब कुछ ऐसा पता नहीं था एनडीए के बारे में, मतलब एनडीए क्या होता है, उसमें कैसे चीज होती है। तो यहाँ पे आने के बाद पता चला कि एनडीए में भी ऑफिसर एंट्री से हम आगे आर्मी नेवी एयरफोर्स में जा सकते हैं। तो मैंने उसमें आर्मी का ये पहले से मेरे को आर्मी में जाना था, तो मैंने आर्मी के लिए इस बार के अटैम्प्ट मतलब एनडीए में ये दिया है, फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस दिया है आर्मी के लिए।
गुड। एंड अभी आपके मॉक्स शुरू होंगे, तो मॉक्स में आपके रिजल्ट्स कैसे हैं? व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से अबाउट दैट?
I will improve 10, 15, 10, 15 per of mock. 10,
In
15 every subject.
Maths, GAT together. Good. How was your experience with the teachers over here? And which teacher do you like the most?
Most like it's Sumit sir.
Thank you.
He's सुमित सर मतलब उन्होंने पहले तो इंग्लिश मेरे को कुछ भी नहीं आती, तो उन्होंने जीरो से कैसे करना है क्या वो भी बताया। और मैथ के लिए कृष्णा सर, दो सर, बाकी ज़्यादा किसी से इतना जॉइंट नहीं है। लेकिन उसमें सुमित सर और कृष्णा सर में कृष्णा सर मैथ के लिए खूब मदद करते। उसके बाद सुमित सर ने तो इंग्लिश और गैट ये दो सेक्शन के लिए सुमित सर मदद करते।
Thank you. So, all the best for your upcoming exams. And as we can see that cadets over here are connected to the teachers regarding the subject, through the subject, and they are ready for their attempts and ready to be the future defenders of India. With this, I would like to end our interview. Jai Hind.